Schwab angin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki khubor na ke jylla.
Bah Fedrick Kharkongor, ubalong CEO ke tnad election ke jylla Meghalaya, mynta ke sngi ke khatsau tarik Rymphang, haba kren shkilat pathai khubor iathuh, Bah Haduh ke kadei tarik bnai, Ioh Kurup Pisa Haduh shispa sanfui crore. Kata Ioh Kurup kabayok tang ke Pisa bat outfly crore tam kadei kabayok Kurup lang bat drok. Hakaba Iadei bagi Bor Pahara, na kaliang CEO iathuh, Haduh mynta kidan sapo pyrton ki pulit Pahara, bat hadien beladap ke election ha ke jylla Tripura, on sapo isu-isu sakumah nyok kendai pyrton AA.
Up to the 9th of February, the seizure was about 51.27 crores, of which 6 crores was cash and about 23 crores plus was for drugs and narcotics, and the other categories of course are divided. So total cumulative seizure was about 51.27 crores.
So which are the areas?
Security arrangement, in terms of the security arrangement, we have received an allotment of 119 companies here in Meghalaya, of which 40 companies have already arrived and they have already been deployed all over the state. And after the Tripura polls, another 79 companies will be coming, and these will be deployed all across the state. We have 36 constituencies here in Khasi Jaintia region on the eastern side, and we have 24 constituencies in the western region, which is the Garo Hills region. So adequate deployment will take place based on the requirement in both these areas. And apart from that, as you've seen, we have SSTs and FSTs. We have police observers also, and expenditure observers, and also general observers. So they are all here right now. So and also we have 31 interstate nakas and over 256 nakas which are within this the state. So there is adequate security arrangement in terms of the security cover here in the state. Halor ke Jing posters, of course, kita arjang, kita kiri authorized, kita unauthorized. Kita belum authorized, kita itu beraya permission, but kita belum unauthorized, kita itu kita empat your permission. Tinggal kren you DC, then kita nak yang jung DC, but nak yang jung team jung kita verify, kita kita your permission, dan ni kita belum authorized, but kita empat your permission. Ni belum unauthorized. Hadien may ODC will ayo kata report bagi no belum unauthorized. Naliang jong district administration, naliang jong district election machinery kinsa dia yang belum gampat kinsa direction ya ki political party concern bagi no no ya gitu belum unauthorized. Tenre pihak long clear bagi dan ki belum authorized, kita ni belum authorized. Ki belum authorized kinang ne layo permission ki bela don NOC bam kita kategori kiba kita bam don NOC dan bam empat yo kanega permission. The action will be taken against those that are unauthorized.